Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about how to reset Infinix XE27 Earbuds. So if you're having any issue with your Infinix XE27, I'm going to show you how to reset it and fix it up. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So if you want to reset your Infinix XE27 Earbuds and you have your pack, just go to the manual and you're going to see how to reset it there. So you go to the back of the manual this way, you're going to see how to reset it, which is this portion here. So you can pause the video to see how to do it, but I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, the first thing to do here is to clear the Bluetooth list. How do you do that? You go to your phone and switch on the Bluetooth settings. When you switch it on, locate the Infinix XE27 on your Bluetooth device list. So you go to the gear icon by the side and select it. Go to the unpair option. So you select the unpair option and unpair it. Make sure it is no longer on your pair device list. If you are using something like Xiaomi, you see forget or disconnect. Make sure it is no longer on the pair device list. So once you have done that, switch off the Bluetooth setting and keep the phone. The next thing to do here is to now reset the earbuds proper. How do you do that? You go to the casing and bring these guys out. As you can see, both of them blink white. That means they are working fine. But if yours is not doing that, don't worry, we are going to fix it right now. So bring them out of the case this way and you are going to see that one of this is blinking already. That means these earbuds are in pairing mode. The next thing to do is to now press hold this sensor part for 5 seconds. So you are going to press hold the sensor part for 5 seconds. So you are going to see the magic. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. As you can see, both of them blink red. Once you see that, that means both of them are now switched off. The next thing to do is to now press hold this sensor part once again for 10 seconds and you are going to see another blinking. So you have to get one blinking at the end of the 10 seconds press. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. As you can see, both of them blink white. Both of them are now blinking red and white. And both of them blink once again. And now we have just one blinking. That means it has now been reset. Now you can now go to your phone and search for the Bluetooth. Turn on your Bluetooth and search for the Bluetooth of this Infinix XE27 Earbuds, which is here. Now select it and you can see it is not coming as 2, it's just coming as 1, and this is going to pair up. Select the pair option on the Bluetooth request list and you have your Infinix XE27 Earbuds reset and connected. This should fix it if you're having any issue with your Infinix XE27 Earbuds. And that is how to make it work. As you can see, none of these guys is blinking anymore because they have been paired up. So that is how to fix it. If you have any issue, please let me know down there in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now. Peace.